Hello friends, welcome to lecture 5 from Digital Logic Design. Today's topic is hexadecimal to binary, hexadecimal to decimal, and then hexadecimal to octal conversion from number system conversions topic. Now let us take the first conversion, hexadecimal to binary conversion. Hexadecimal means 16. We should write this 16 in terms of 2 power n form, which is equal to 2 power 4. That means 4 bits are required to represent the hexadecimal digit in binary form. Based on this, you can develop the truth table to write hexadecimal digits using binary. So to write hexadecimal digits in binary, we should take the binary weights as 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2 and 2 power 3, 1, 2, 4, 8 equivalent binary weights. Okay, the hexadecimal digits are 0 to 9, 10 to 15, these are replaced with A to F. Now take the given hexadecimal number B436.7F2. This is the integer part and this is a fractional part. For integer part, we should write the binary form for each hexadecimal should start from LSB. For fractional part, we should always start from MSB. 6 means the equivalent binary value is 0110. Okay, so this is 0110. 3 means 0011. 4 means 0100. B means 11. 11 means 1011. Point 7. 7 means 0111. F means 15. 1111. 2 means 0010. This is our binary number for the given hexadecimal number. Next conversion is hexadecimal to decimal conversion. To do this conversion, we should take the hexadecimal weights for integer part and fractional part. For integer part, always the hexadecimal weight should start from LSB. For fractional part, we should start from MSB. 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 2, 3. This is the 16 power minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 based on the number of digits used in the given hexadecimal number. Now let us take the given number 143B.72C. This is our hexadecimal number. Should apply the hexadecimal weights. This is 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2 and 16 power 3, 16 power minus 1, 16 power minus 2, 16 power minus 3. Multiply each quotient with the corresponding weights and then add. So 1 into 16 power 3 plus 4 into 16 power 2 plus 3 into 16 power 1 plus b into 16 power 0 plus 7 into 16 power minus 1 plus 2 into 16 power minus 2 plus c into 16 power minus 3. Its equivalent product is 4096 plus 1024 plus 48 plus b into 16 power 0. B means 11, so that its value is 11 plus 7 into 16 power minus 1 means 7 by 16. Its equivalent value is 0.4375 plus 2 into 16 power minus 2 means 2 by 16 square. That is 0.0078125 plus C. C means 12. 12 into 16 power minus 3. Therefore, 12 by 16 power 3. This is 0.0029296875. The equivalent sum is 5179. This is our required answer. The next conversion is hexadecimal to octal conversion. Here there is no direct conversion method. This can be solved in two methods. The first method is hexadecimal to binary and then binary to octal. The second method is hexadecimal to decimal and then decimal to octal. Okay, out of these two methods, always hexadecimal to binary, then binary to octal is easy method. So that we should follow the first method. Okay. So in this first method, first we should convert hexadecimal to binary. This is our hexadecimal number 1436.72. First we should write this hexadecimal into binary. So for 10001 using 4 bits we should write the binary. 4 means 0100, 3 means 0011, 6 means 0110, 7 means 0111, 2 means 0010. This is our binary. The second step is this binary to octal. To convert this binary to octal, we should split this binary into groups with the 3 bits each, because octal means 8 equal to 2 power 3. So 3 bits are required to write the octal digit. So for integer part, should start from LSB from 0 to 1. This is first group. Next 0 to 1. This is the second group. Next 0 to 0, third group. Leftmost only 0. So that we should place 2 more zeros. This is another group. Next for fractional parts should start from MSB. This is the first group. This is second group. Here only 2 bits we have, so that we should place 1 more zero towards right side. Should write the equivalent octal digit for these groups. 0, 0, 0. Should write the equivalent octal digit based on the binary weights. Binary weights are 1, 2, 4. That is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. So here it is 0. 0, 0, 1 means 1. 0, 1, 0 means 2. This is 0, 0, 0. 0. 1, 1, 0 means 6. This is again 6 point. This is 3. This is 4. This is 4. Okay. So this is our octal value for the given hexadecimal number. Okay. So the answer is 12066.344 with base 8. This is our required answer. You can also try the second method and check whether the second method answer is same as this answer or not. I hope you understand this concept. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.